Master to Teach Step-by-Step Guide. In this tutorial, we will explore leveraging knowledge management for software process improvement. Knowledge management plays a crucial role in software process improvement efforts by facilitating the creation, modification, and sharing of software processes within an organization. Here's how knowledge management is used in SPI efforts. Capturing best practices. Knowledge management helps in capturing best practices related to software development processes. This involves identifying successful strategies, techniques, and methodologies used in past projects and documenting them for future reference. By capturing these best practices, organizations can establish standards and guidelines for software development, which can be continuously improved through SPI initiatives. For instance, adopting Agile methodologies in software development has been a widely recognized best practice, leading to improved project outcomes and customer satisfaction. Documenting lessons learned. Knowledge management enables organizations to document lessons learned from previous projects, including both successes and failures. This information is valuable for identifying areas of improvements in software processes and avoiding repeating mistakes in future projects. By systematically documenting lessons learned, organizations can enhance their software development processes through continuous learning and refinement. Creating knowledge repositories. Knowledge management system facilitates the creation of centralized repository for storing and organizing software process-related knowledge. These repositories can include documents, templates, guidelines, and other resources that are valuable for software development teams. By providing easy access to relevant information, knowledge repositories supports knowledge sharing and collaborations among team members, which is essential for SPI efforts. Facilitating collaborations. Knowledge management tools and platforms facilitate collaborations among software development teams by providing features such as discussion forums, wikis, and document sharing capabilities. These collaborations tools enable team members to share their expertise, exchange ideas, and work together to improve software processes. By fostering a culture of collaboration, knowledge management contributes to the success of SPI initiative by harnessing the collective intelligence of the organization. Supporting continuous improvements. Knowledge management supports the principle of continuous improvements by providing mechanisms for collecting feedbacks and escalating suggestions from software development teams. By gathering input from various stakeholders, organizations can identify areas for enhancements in their software processes and implement iterative changes to achieve incremental improvements over time. Knowledge management system facilitates the evaluations of SPI initiative and helps organizations track their progress towards achieving their improvement goals. Training and development. Knowledge management plays a crucial role in training and development software development teams by providing access to educational resources, training materials, and skill development programs. By investing in the training and development of their workforce, organizations can ensure that teams members have necessary knowledge and skills to effectively participate in SPI efforts and contributes to their improvements of software processes. In summary, knowledge management is instrumental in supporting SPI efforts by enabling organizations to capture, document, share, and leverage software process-related knowledge. By prompting collaborations, facilitating continuous improvements, and supporting trainings and development initiatives, knowledge management contributes to the success of SPI efforts and helps organizations achieve their software development goals.